How long after creating a course or launching a business can you expect to see any returns? How long does it take to actually start earning money? Now, this question always intrigues me because people think that starting or making something means that it's then going to sell. And unfortunately, that's not how it works. Oh, I wish it was. But merely existing, unfortunately does not get you sales. The only thing that gets you sales is marketing. So the answer to this question is the amount of marketing you do determines how much money you will make. The amount of marketing you do and how frequently we'll do it will determine how quickly that money comes in. And it's all about numbers. And this is the great thing about business, right? People think this is huge mystery as to how some businesses take off and how some don't. There's no mystery to it at all. It's just simple numbers. So the first thing you need to know is if I want to make, let's say, 100 grand a year, and I am selling a product for $100 a product, you can work out pretty quickly what your numbers need to be. If you want to make 100 grand a year and you're selling a product for $100, you're going to need to get 1,000 sales to make your 100 grand. Simple math. But it doesn't just stop there. Now we need to think of how many people do we actually need to get our product in front of in order to make that 1,000 sales. So in this particular example, I'm going to pretend we have a conversion rate of, say, 3%. This means that the amount of people that view your particular product, 3% of them will actually become buyers and buy that $100 product. So in this example, if you want to make 100 grand a year and your product's $100, you need to make 1,000 sales in order to make that 100 grand. Now, if you've got a conversion rate of 3%, you're going to need to get your product in front of 33,333 people in order to make those 1,000 sales. It's about numbers. So how much do you want to make is the first question. Then how much are you selling your product for is the second question. Then what's your expected or current conversion rate in your particular market? Now, if you're just starting out and you don't know that, go and ask already established businesses who are similar to yours, hey, what's your average conversion rate? Because basic software will show you what that is. If you're using a platform like techmatics.com to run your online business, on your dashboard, it will literally say your conversion rate is X%. So you will start to know in your business what your conversion rate is, and therefore that will give you actual data to base your numbers on. You will then know, okay, to make X amount of sales for a product of X value, and I have a conversion rate of X%, that means that my marketing needs to get in front of X number of people. So of course, if you double the number of people you get in front of, you double the amount of sales you're going to get, or shorten the time that you're going to make that sale, that number that you want to happen. So don't sit around thinking, what's this magic solution? How long is it going to take until people start giving me their money? The answer is, how quickly are you going to start getting in front of the number of people that you need to put your product in front of so that you can make those sales? Your success in selling anything is all about your marketing. If you need some help with your marketing, feel free to get in touch. I can do a Zoom coaching call with you and have a look at your marketing plan. You can even come and join my Edupreneur Academy, where I walk you through growing your own business online. sarahcorden.com/academy. I'll see you there.